Here we are on David's 95 Cobra. It's going to be quite the busy day. We got struts, brakes, bunch of underhood goodies to do. And get this baby all spooled in, and we got to charge the air. So working on the rear brakes here on David's Mustang, and slider pins. Note, works good, works nice. Oh yeah, dirty joke. Anyway, this guy didn't want to go in or out, so I've been beating that shit like it owes me money. Alright, so the pin wasn't bent. It's just rusted in, no lube. So we're going to clean it and grease them. And actually, I'm going to try to get him another one, but if not, you can always clean and grease this guy. This poor guy got told this was a Cobra. GT. No hardware. Idiotas. Idiotas. This is what happens when stupid people work on a car. Ugh. Rear brakes, check. With hardware. Shocking. Amazing what happens when you do it right. Alright, we're also going to be doing front brakes and struts. These struts are nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Probably the originals. But they are toast. In this car, you bounce it and it'll bounce down the street for hours. So we're going to get everything apart. Alright, so here's our strut from the front. This is from the left front. That baby dead. The one from the right front was just like this. Done and leaking. Demonstrate a new strut. That works right.
Phase 2.
So here's the rotor. Look at that. That's seen better days for sure. You said we should put it on the face tube?
Face tube, yeah, that's it.
It's going on the face tube later. I think these plugs have been in there a while. So these are the plugs we got for the car. 95 5.0. That's correct Motorcraft Platinum, correct reach and everything. This is what came out. So it's definitely, that explains why she runs like poo-poo. Look at that gap. That gap's wider than my ex's snatch. That's pretty fucking wide. That's number 7 wire. That's real cute. Sounds good. What is that? Ticket whistling. Checking right now. Oh, we got a little grease on the belt when we were fighting, so it'll go away in a little bit. New pulleys, idler and the tensioner, plugs, wires, tap, rotor.